We're out here. Bert, you excited?
Yes.
You are?
Yes.
Are you guys excited to watch him?
Yeah. Yeah. And
so, Bert's racing. He's got his bike here.
Yeah.
We got his helmet set up with GoPro on top, the old one. So he's gonna be running that. And he's got number 12 on the plates. Yeah, it's not showing. But anyway, I'm trying not to show much of the bike and whatnot because he's got a sponsor. I'm not going to tell you who the sponsor is either, but he does have a sponsor. His sponsor just paid for him to come here and race. So, but he wanted American flag numbers, so he put those on, and we got him all registered. We're waiting for them to call. We'll have a writers meeting, and we'll have
ran out of gas. I got reserved.
But we'll do that, and then we'll do practice laps, and then we'll get into the heat. So
What a place to be.
what a place to be. Yeah, she got.
No, don't say that on there. Don't say what I said on there.
I don't know what you expect when you go to a fairground. I mean,
Okay, sit down. I'll hand it to you.
if you've been to fairgrounds, you understand.
You know the kind of people that are there. I don't know.
But anyway, we'll keep you updated. So right now we're just gonna eat supper, and after that, I think I don't know, have the writers meeting first or what the deal is. So, but we'll keep you updated. All right, look, Bert's out there. Yeah, I told him to just take it easy. Where's he at? Is he coming around? Yep, there he is. Here he comes. Yeah, there he got her. He's doing good.
Why did I use someone else's helmet?
That's our helmet. Huh?
Oh.
He made me nervous. And he's like, good,
I
good.
texted Evan, I was like, you're not ready to
I said, I told Bert, I said, oh crap.
He's right there.
I see him.
Where is he?
Right here.
Oh, I see him now. I missed him.
I see him.
I told him,
I need to go down one bar so I can see, please.
alright, this is what we got going on. We got the cam on Bert's helmet right now, so you'll get to see a lot of that. Well, you want to tell everybody how you did?
I did fine.
You did fine?
Yes.
You didn't crash, did you?
No.
No, no crashing. Is that fun?
Yes.
It's fun? Alright. He did really good. He took off, and when he got out there, he got right out front, and he did really good. So never let off, never, lost control. He just kept going. So that was just a practice, but we'll have the first heat, and then we'll have the main. So stay tuned for that. All right, you ready to rock? All right, keep it alive. Watch the board. You ready to go? Ready? Go, go, go. Bike will run.
Yeah, it's trying to can't move.
It won't go. It won't go. It won't accelerate.
With a white flag already. It's really coming around here. Oh, we got one down right down by the flag, man.
Fall off.
Hayden Halsey, bike number 80. Your leader.
It won't move.
Yeah, chain fell off.
Just 7 years old, coming around to complete his 4th and final lap and flying around here.
Yeah, crap.
Oh no.
Well,
And he gets the
we're done,
checkers
so
right
let's
there.
go. We'll have to
Good job, Hayden.
fix it in a minute.
I had it started not moving and then it went.
Yeah, they're all done anyway. That one doesn't count anyway, bud. It's your main that counts. Chain fell off. What's that? Got tool? Yeah, I got tool.
Jacob Dwyer from Canton. 121X Jackson, how did you weigh that?
Here, walk this to Suburban. I'll be right back, okay?
121 Alex Curley. 215 Preston Taylor from Canton. 333 Reese Newsell. 429 Dylan Wakeston. 524 Chad Cameron from Astoria. 717 Braden from Fairview. And 902.
thing's still going here. All right, well, Bert's chain fell off. You got what, a lap? Didn't even get a lap.
It was the first.
Chain fell off, so he was done to begin with, so we're gonna get that fixed.
At 75, Josie Halsey finishes second.
Yeah, what did you do?
Third lap for no, that's his fourth lap, third place. Third place right there.
One bike's hardly get by here.
Is a larger size pit bike. 14 inch rims.